Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my savvy and you're watching, thank you for tuning in. So, guys, I was following up Wandindlovu. She said, I think 2 months ago, she said that she wants to go and redo what she did because she's just felt like she's not satisfied with the way she looks. And looking at her body, I think this time around they gave her the shape that she wanted and she looks beautiful. She's showing her small waist and her curvaceous body. So guys, what y'all think? Do you think like now she's too much? Shouldn't have done it, or anyways it's your body, so tell me what you think. And she also said that I don't know if it's a real account on Instagram, but I remember back then she said that she won't be using Instagram anymore, she will only use Facebook. So I think I found this videos on her Instagram. I don't know if it's a fake account or whatsoever, but these videos were also posted on Facebook. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.